No. You're good, honey. Don't throw up.
Yeah.
It's better for the stomach when you don't throw up. It's like a kegerator. Six packs are out. Kegerators are in.
I'm taping you now.
I know you
I'm
are.
figuring that shit out.
Is there a parking here? That's not.
The P&A, you out of your mind.
What are we doing?
Park in the back. Park in the back. Who's here? Everybody.
We're gonna
These
be
douchebags. Look at school, a bunch of douchebags.
we're gonna be cat work around.
Right, I agree. That's not it. Go in the back. Go in the back.
Apparently we are going.
Which is what I said to begin with. But it's cool.
Shut your. Wait. So.
Oh, trap would have been a lot better.
Oh, is he peeing? Can I pee there too?
Yes, you can pee
I'm about
outside.
to.
Okay,
I put the child lock on because you were a fucking retard. I had to. Jackie, let her out. Let her out. She was a maniac. Broad safety, I had to